Hi, Manny.
My name's Manny, and this is my best friend, Hank.
My name is Hank Thompson.
You're broken and empty.
Smelly, old.
Like trash. Shut up.
Come on! Somebody help!
Weird?
Weird is like when you do stuff that nobody else does, so they make fun of you for it. So
I guess I was wrong. Weird.
I sound retarded.
you sound great. Don't say that word. Manny, don't say that. She just doesn't understand. Don't say that word.
Not a sack of shit.
Oh, you're amazing.
Well, maybe everyone's a little bit ugly. Yeah, maybe we're all just ugly, dying sacks of shit. And maybe all it'll take is one person to just be okay with that, and then the whole world will be dancing and singing and farting.
Can't use your gas in front of other people. Other people will stare at you if you sing, so you listen to your own music.
Oh.
Hello.
And I watch the world go by. What are we even going back home for? I'm talking about life.
This is the life I've forgotten.
Sounds like you're not allowed to do anything down there.
Put it on her hand. That's what you're supposed to do.
Are you okay?
Oh, you won't even know I was gone. Hello. Hello.
Manny. Come on. So that's not true. He cares about you.
Why didn't you tell me?
We can sing songs as loud as we want.
We're having a party!
The first day we met, you've been pushing me and poking me, making me spit, making me cry. How come I never get to see you do any of those? Because I'm scared.
So you were scared of death?
I'm scared because I think if I die, I might really miss you. I'm going to die.
But I wish I was dead again. She died shortly after. Oh, you're the worst.
I just wanted to give you all the things in life that everyone else gets to have, and all the things I thought I didn't deserve to have.
Hey, what is that?
Manny, your face!
Oh, this is what I look like when I'm happy.
This is what you look like when you're happy. Probably just looking for happiness. That's what everyone does.
So even though masturbation makes him happy, you got each other!
Hey, you and me!
Together.
You won't do it.
Because I'm just a scared, ugly, useless person. They might laugh at us. They might call us names. They might think we're weird, but it doesn't matter what they think. Just please don't die. Just trust me.
Oh my god.
What the fuck?
Sorry.
You look beautiful.